y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, bringing you a video straight off of work with my new mini series called Have Y'all Tried This? And today's item is this. So these are vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, soy-free, cauliflower crumb, marinara sauce, mozzarella style sticks. That's a mouthful, and that's exactly what will happen if you eat these. You'll have a mouthful of them because, y'all, they are pretty daggone good. So I'll insert some clips of me, making these, and let's go ahead and do the pop method. I did not do that last time, so let's do it. So packaging. The packaging is real cute. Like, how could you be mad at this? I think they knew what they were doing, and that's why I picked it up. I was intrigued. I was like, oh, what's this? And then let's see, optics. Well, I mean, they look like what frozen mozzarella sticks would look like if they were mini. And then it does come with a sauce pack. So optic-wise, like, it's giving. Now, I did fry these and try to do like a pull test. And I will say, it did stretch. Was it 100% like an actual cheese mozzarella stick? No. But considering how hard it is to replicate that, I give it full points. And lastly was price, which I will put in the description because I don't remember right now. But I don't think it was like super expensive. So overall for me, it gets the Sister Girl Tuesday poppin'. So I am very curious to hear what you think if you try this. So let me know in the comment section below what you think. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.